Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vudu on Fire TV step by step clearly. To begin, turn on your Fire TV device. Once your Fire TV has fully booted up, navigate to the home screen. Using the remote, scroll down to the search icon in the upper left corner. Type Vudu in the search bar. Select the Vudu app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to initiate the installation. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, select Open to launch the Vudu app. You will see a welcome screen with the option to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Vudu account, select Sign In. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In again. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After successfully signing in, you may be prompted to activate your device. Take note of the activation code displayed on your Fire TV screen. Now, using a computer or smartphone, go to the Vudu activation website. On the site, enter the activation code from your Fire TV. Click on the Activate button to proceed. Once activation is successful, return to your Fire TV. Your Vudu app is now activated and ready to use. You can browse, rent, or purchase movies and TV shows from the app. Enjoy your viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.